So, before we've gone over different word digraphs. Now we are going to go over vowels that work together, vowel teams. For example, we have the letters O and E, but what sounds do they make if we combine them together? O is oo, E is ee. The O sound can be found on words like book and foot. The EE sound can be found on words like feet and teen. Now that we know what the sounds are, let's practice. This assignment has two parts. You need to find 3 words each for oo and e. I'll do one of each to start. So for oo, we have book. You need to find 2 more. For e, we have sheep. You need to find 2 more of those as well. After this, your assignment is to make a sentence with every word. So I've made one for book. I read a book. And I made one for sheep. The sheep fur is very soft. So when you find a word that has OO and EE, you need to make sentences with them in the space provided as well.